Hello, I'm Bernard Keavy. Today I'm going to explain all the elements you need to put into any marketing that you produce to maximise its effectiveness. We actually call it the 9-step formula. Now, can I just draw your attention to, if you think this is interesting and you want to find out more, on Thursday evening this week, 18th of June, at 5 o'clock UK time, which is 12 o'clock Eastern Daylight Time in the US, we're running a Zoom webinar on this topic, and this is the Zoom meeting number. So you go to zoom.us and then join a meeting, and it's 720-729-3263. So I just draw my attention to that, and I'll just leave it up there while we're talking. So the 9 elements are, first of all, you need to know who your ideal target customer, client or target market is, because you want to position yourself as an expert or a specialist rather than a generalist, and that's how you get away from competing on price. You then need, the second element is you need a headline and a sub-headline. The headline is an interrupt, which basically says, you're my specialist customer or client, I'm an expert, I know you've got this big problem. That's the interrupt. I can solve it for you. That's the engage. So what's their major issue? Interrupt. How can you solve it for them? That's the engage. That keeps their attention. You then need what they call a Godfather offer, an irresistible offer. There's actually 2 types of offers. An incentive offer for now buyers, 1 to 3% of the marketplace perhaps. That's things like, buy one get one free. For the vast majority though, they're prospects you need to nurture to become buyers eventually, but they're future buyers or never buyers at the moment. So they need what's called an informational offer, something like an ideas guide, a checklist, a survey, a questionnaire, a legislative guide, anything that they think would be useful to them in terms of making their mind up as to whether they'll actually want to buy this thing or not. And then they'll give you their contact details, and then you can nurture them, you can remain in contact with them and nurture them along their buyer's journey. So an offer. You then need a differentiator. So you're positioning yourself for a target customer or client, you're highlighting their major issue, and you're promising a solution, and that solution has to be your differentiator. That has to be something that stands out as being superior to what the rest of the marketplace can provide, because otherwise you're competing on price. This is the only way you can get away from competing on price and competing on value instead. You then need to explain features and benefits. So what I mean by that is, benefits are emotional, features are logical, but the human mind makes decisions based on emotions, and it makes those decisions far quicker than it makes the decisions on logic. So what happens is, we see something that we want, that's the emotion, we say we want to buy it, but then we have to justify it to ourselves in terms of logic, which is the features. So you need both benefits to persuade people to buy, but also features to enable them to justify their purchase so that they don't cancel or cool off afterwards. You need social proof, which takes the risk out of using you. So who else has dealt with you, or what other qualifications have you got? What else is there that I can use to take the risk away from dealing with someone I don't know? And you need a guarantee. Again, the more powerful the guarantee, the less risk there is in dealing with someone. So for example, I guarantee a 200% return on your fee in terms of annual revenue from month 1. Reasons why. So reasons why your offer here isn't too good to be true, and reasons why your guarantee isn't too good to be true. So that'll be something along the lines of, we know that we'll never have to pay out on this because our quality is so good, and we've never, you might be wondering how we can afford to make this offer. It's because you need to be able to justify it so it doesn't sound too good to be true. And then you need a call to action, which basically says you need to do something now, because if they don't act now, the odds are they'll just put whatever this thing is to one side and they'll never do anything. So you need a call to action with a stimulator. And what I mean by a stimulator is something to inject a degree of urgency. Commonly, it's either a shortage, offer applies first 100 responses, or it's a timeline, offer valid until Tuesday, blah, blah, blah. So you need a stimulator that basically says you need to act, and you need to act now to get this fantastic offer, which is almost too good to be true, but it isn't too good to be true because I've explained why, and there's no risk involved because here's all the social proof to prove that other people have used us and found us trustworthy and we deliver, and here's the guarantee that says you can't basically lose because you'll get your money back if anything goes wrong. So that's how you do it, 9 steps. If you want to find out more, here's our Zoom meeting on Thursday at 5 o'clock UK time, 12 noon Eastern Daylight Time in the US, and there's the meeting number. Go to zoom.us, join a meeting, and then it's 720-729-3263. Hope you found that useful. Thank you very much for watching. To find out how to apply these strategies in your business, go to my Sales Accelerator Roadmap. I'll produce a free assessment of your marketing using an algorithm program and produce a 12-page detailed report. We'll recommend in priority order exactly what you should be doing, when you should be doing it, and how to do it. So go to www.bernardkeevymentor.com and sign up for my free Sales Accelerator Roadmap. You'll see this screen. It'll show you the Sales Accelerator Roadmap, which is free today. It'll show you how to fix your marketing, increase your sales and profits. It'll take less than 45 minutes to do, and our software will pinpoint all your opportunity areas and show you exactly what to do to improve your marketing and grow your business. So go to www.bernardkeevymentor.com and click on the green button, and you'll see that it says there it's a free process, so there's no credit card involved, there's no charge. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful, and I'd like to see you at the Sales Accelerator Roadmap. Thank you very much for watching this video.